Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the heart of a beautiful valley, there lived a young boy named Aryan. Aryan was known for his curiosity and his insatiable thirst for knowledge. He was always seeking wisdom and looking for ways to improve himself. One day, while Aryan was exploring the outskirts of the village, he stumbled upon an ancient temple. The temple had an air of mystery about it, as if it held secrets that were waiting to be unraveled. Intrigued, Aryan decided to enter and see what lay inside. As he entered the temple, Aryan was greeted by a wise old monk named Master Yuji. Master Yuji had a calm demeanor and a gentle smile that immediately put Aryan at ease. Sensing Aryan's eagerness to learn, Master Yuji decided to share with him the 4 essential things that one must know about oneself in order to lead a fulfilling and meaningful life. "Dear Aryan," began Master Yuji, "the first thing you must know about yourself is your true purpose in life. Each one of us is born with a unique gift, a special talent that we are meant to share with the world. Take some time to reflect on what truly brings you joy and how you can use that to make a positive impact on others." Aryan listened intently, pondering over his own passions and talents. He realized that he had a deep love for music and a natural ability to play various instruments. Inspired by Master Yuji's words, Aryan decided to pursue his musical talent and share his melodies with the world. Master Yuji continued, "The second thing you must know about yourself is your strengths and weaknesses. It is important to have a clear understanding of your abilities and limitations. Embrace your strengths and use them to your advantage, while also acknowledging your weaknesses and working on improving them." Aryan took these words to heart and began to assess his own strengths and weaknesses. He recognized that he had a strong sense of empathy and an ability to connect with people, but he also struggled with self-doubt at times. Determined to overcome his weaknesses, Aryan started practicing self-compassion and self-belief, gradually gaining confidence in his abilities. "The third thing you must know about yourself," continued Master Yuji, "is the power of self-awareness. Cultivate mindfulness and pay attention to your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Understand how they influence your life and the lives of those around you. This self-awareness will guide you towards making wise choices and living with intention." Intrigued by the concept of self-awareness, Aryan embarked on a journey of self-reflection. He began practicing meditation and mindfulness, allowing himself to be fully present in each moment. This newfound awareness helped him better understand his own motivations and reactions, enabling him to respond to life's challenges with clarity and composure. Master Yuji's voice softened as he shared the final lesson. "The fourth and most important thing you must know about yourself is that you are capable of change. Embrace the concept of growth and never stop learning. Life is a continuous journey of self-discovery, and it is through personal growth that you will find true fulfillment." Aryan felt a surge of hope and determination. He realized that he had the power within him to shape his own destiny. Inspired by Master Yuji's wisdom, Aryan made a vow to himself that he would never stop seeking knowledge and striving for personal growth. Months turned into years, and Aryan continued to practice the teachings of Master Yuji. He became a renowned musician, touching the hearts of people far and wide with his soulful melodies. He used his music as a medium to spread messages of love, compassion, and self-discovery, inspiring others to embark on their own journeys of self-realization. Aryan's fame and success never changed him. He remained humble and grateful for the lessons he had learned. He knew that his true fulfillment came not from external achievements, but from the deep understanding and acceptance of his own self. In time, Aryan became a mentor himself, guiding others on their paths of self-discovery. He would often recount the story of his encounter with Master Yuji and the 4 essential things one must know about oneself. Through his storytelling, he inspired countless individuals to embark on their own quests for self-realization, spreading wisdom and enlightenment wherever he went. And so, dear reader, remember the story of Aryan and the teachings of Master Yuji. Take a moment to reflect on your true purpose, embrace your strengths and weaknesses, cultivate self-awareness, and never stop growing. May you embark on your own journey of self-discovery, and may your life be filled with meaning, joy, and fulfillment. As Aryan continued to mentor others, he encountered a young girl named Maya, who was lost and struggling to find her place in the world. Maya had a deep passion for painting, but she doubted her abilities and feared rejection. Aryan saw a reflection of his own journey in Maya's eyes. He approached her with kindness and shared his story, hoping to inspire her to embrace her true potential. Maya listened intently, her heart opening up to the possibility of self-discovery. "Maya," Aryan said gently, "your passion for painting is a gift. It is unique to you, and no one else can express art in the same way you can. Embrace your creativity and trust in your abilities. Remember, it is through the process of creation that we learn and grow." Maya felt a flicker of hope ignite within her. Inspired by Aryan's words, she mustered the courage to dedicate herself wholeheartedly to her art. She spent hours exploring different techniques, experimenting with colors, and pouring her emotions onto the canvas. As Maya's confidence grew, so did her paintings. Her artwork became a reflection of her inner journey, a kaleidoscope of emotions, dreams, and aspirations. Maya's unique style captivated the hearts of art enthusiasts, and soon her paintings were showcased in galleries around the world. But Maya's success went beyond the recognition she received. She found solace in her art, a sanctuary where she could express her deepest thoughts and emotions. Each stroke of the brush brought her closer to her true self, unveiling layers of creativity she never knew existed. One day, Aryan invited Maya to join him on a visit to the village's orphanage. He believed that Maya's art could bring comfort and joy to the children who longed for a sense of belonging. Maya hesitated, unsure if her paintings were truly capable of making a difference. As they walked through the doors of the orphanage, Maya's heart swelled with compassion. She saw the children's faces light up with excitement as they witnessed her vibrant paintings. The colors danced on the walls, awakening a sense of wonder and delight within the young souls. Maya realized that her art had the power to touch lives, to inspire hope, and to ignite dreams. It wasn't just about the strokes of the brush. It was about the emotions and messages conveyed through her creations. Maya understood the true purpose of her art: to create connections, to heal hearts, and to spread love and positivity. From that day forward, Maya dedicated herself to using her artistic talent to make a difference in the lives of others. She organized workshops for underprivileged children, teaching them the joy of self-expression through art. She painted murals in hospitals, bringing comfort to those in pain. Maya's art became a beacon of light, a symbol of resilience and inspiration for all who encountered it. As Aryan witnessed Maya's transformation, he realized the profound impact he had made by sharing the teachings of Master Yuji. Each person he mentored, like Maya, carried the torch of wisdom and passed it on to others, creating a ripple effect of positive change in the world. And so, the village flourished with individuals who embraced their true selves, who understood their purpose, and who used their strengths to uplift others. The teachings of Master Yuji lived on through the lives they touched, spreading compassion, self-awareness, and personal growth to every corner of the world. The story of Aryan, Maya, and the teachings of Master Yuji serves as a reminder to us all. We are capable of great things when we know ourselves deeply, embrace our true passions, and use our strengths to make a difference. May this story inspire you to embark on your own journey of self-discovery and share your unique gifts with